listed as a forward, pero minsan parang guardia din to. Itong si Janamon, kita mo naman yan, Coach Chard. Ang dami niyang pwedeng tira, a variety of shots, and that's the stat line of Janamon today.
Well, yung sinasabi mo nga, no, variety of shots. Yan naman na na-improve ito ni Janamon throughout the years na naglalaro siya dito sa NCAA. Before, puro spot-up shooter lang yan si Hamon. You know, that's the only thing that you will guard from him. Pero ngayon, may drive na siya. At hindi rin siya namipilit ng tira. No? He knows how to create and pass the ball to his open teammates.
Kanina nga may nabanggit ka, binigyan siya ng screen, but he chose to go to the other side.
Yes, to refuse the screen.
So yung ganong thinking comes with maturity.
That's correct.
51-43. So walo ulit ang abante rito ng EAC. Foul ang itatawag kay Ezekiel Biteng. Pangatlo ni Biteng. And they're still down by 8. Sama natin sa ating kwentuhan. Apple David, anong balita kay CJ Isit?
Eto, right on cue. Papasok na nga siya. Natapilok lang daw siya kanina sa isa sa mga play and causing him a sprain. Right angle. Nung tinanong siya, are you gonna play? Eto na nga, I'm going to play. I have to play daw.
Yun ang conviction. Salamat Apple. Mamaya pa sasakit siguro yan.
Pero kung sa ensayo nangyari yun, kapag masakit, hindi na muna ako ensayo.
Hoy, guilty rin ako dati.
Ha?
Guilty rin ako dati.
Diba?
Libreng pahinga. Estrella, Eurostep, wala. Follow up ni Isit. He's okay.
Hindi naman naman yan, ha?
He's okay.
Parang nalagyan ng bionic legs itong si Isit after that sprain.
51-45. 50 pa rin ang EAC with Janamon scoring his 15 points.
Bilis naman ang bawi dahil nga merong full court pressure. Etong Mapua. Eto naman sa backcourt nila, wala nang natira. Nakalayap itong EAC.
Makes you wonder, ano ka yung ininom nila nung halftime break? 53-45. Wala pa rin ang Mapua Cardinals. Isit. Inside to side na ng Howie muna. Traveling on Jesse.
Naman sayang yun. If you're that guard creating that play, nakawala ka na from the primary defender, na-break mo, down mo na yung depensa, nabigay mo pa yung bola in a good scoring position dun sa malaki mo. Kaya nga lang, may traveling pa na nangyari. Natanggalan ka na isang assist.
Yun lang. At si Jesse, dahil doon siguro, pinaupo muna ni Coach Atoy Kanaynay ang pumalit sa kanya. Eriobo also back in. Gugulo pa rin ang Mapua Cardinals all the way from the back. Pero naitawid ni Tayong to. Almost a steal by Ariobo. EAC possession pa rin. Serrano. Back to Arcuero. 7 to shoot. Onmubere has it. Play hasn't developed for EAC. Serrano nag-invento. Off the glass. All glass. Isit on the run. CJ. Binagsak pa kay Cantos. Acrobatic shot. Wala. Tapek na kay Onmubere. Onmubere. Hindi na pinasa. Dinerecho. Oh, pinasa pala kay Tayong Tong. Kala ko dinerecho na.
Grabe, no? So ngayon, ang labanan na lang is who can finish better near the basket. Dahil puro ganun eh. Puro halos layup ang binibigay.
Sino may hangin, ano? Takbuhan eh. Eriobo, great cut. Great jumper here. And the lead is down to 8.
You know, the defense of EAC has to adjust on that play by Mapua. Dahil kanina pa nalilibre talaga yan. Weak side flash from the big guy. Libre-libre yung spot na yun lagi.
Foul ang itatawag kay CJ Isit sa backcourt pa lang. Under 3 minutes remaining. EAC still up 55-47. Great pass. Slow-mo replay brought to you by Smart Jump In. On all access pass of awesomeness. Jump into Smart. EAC still up. We'll be right back.